I was tagged yet again from Cam over at Carolina Fragrance Reviews with another tag video. This time it's Scent My Ride. Now let's get into it.
In 2015, Hyundai revolutionized SUV as you know it with the Santa Fe Sport. The 2015 Santa Fe Sport is a 5-passenger crossover that straddles the line between compact and mid-size. As with most Hyundai models, the Santa Fe Sport is known for packing loads of standard features into a spacious, nicely styled interior for a reasonable price. Also comes with fully equipped dents on the side of the car, overdue oil change, and also a fun feature, fully equipped with ABS braking system for those moments where you just ate Taco Bell, now you got a shit. I love the way it handles. It's got comfortable seats with yogurt stains.
Driving Hyundai since even before the pavement job one. I didn't do it to be cool. I didn't do it to make a statement. I just liked it.
Welcome back to another edition of
Sorry about that. Let's try that again. Welcome back to another edition of the Fragrance Shark. If you're new to this channel, this is where I decant out to you fragrance reviews, lists, and everything else that's fragrance related. Now let's drive. So the scent I picked for my car is Jimmy Choo Man Ice.
You'll love Jimmy Choo Man Ice. Is a woody aromatic fragrance. Mandarin orange, bergamot, and citron. Jimmy Choo Man Ice captures the best part of a man. Man and ice.
To me, this is such a dumb reach. I just grab it on, spray it in the morning, and I know it just smells really good. It's one of those fragrances where I just grab in the morning, go to the lake, and just have so much fun. I mean, reminds me a lot of my car because it's not the best performer, but it does the job and gets me to the place I want to go. To me, a lot of people compare this to Dior Homme Cologne. I get it, but to me this is a totally different fragrance, and especially for the amount that you can get this for is absolutely amazing compared to that. I would say this has the same opening as Dior Homme Cologne. Well, I wouldn't say same, has similar opening due to the citrus in the top notes. But what I feel this separates from it is the dry down. This is a woody citrus fragrance compared to Dior Homme Cologne, which I feel is a more citrusy aromatic fragrance. So the channel I would like to tag would be Dan from Scented Waters. Check out his channel. He's a really awesome guy, and his channel is really awesome as well. He offers some really good reviews, and I think you guys would really like him. Thank you for joining the Fragrance Shark, and I will see you next time.